Mabalik ka na kami manti update no kumusta daytoy issue tayo ijay mangkayan regarding daytoy mining uno daytoy mining exploration nga ipatungpal ko mati CMDC.
Okay. Last month, by virtue of a order coming from the chairperson, a national validation team was composed purposely to appraise the situation on the ground. It is not only Crescent that was subject for validation. A lot of issues, particularly in Benguet, were subject for validation. So, insofar as CMDC, the Crescent Mining Development Corporation, it was one of the agendas or subject that was validated by the national validation team. So, they went to the ground. They appraised the situation. They talked both sides, the yes and the no, and also they had the meetings. A meeting also with the local government unit. So far, as of today, we haven't received any updates yet on the actions that were undertaken by the national validation team uh, resulting from that validation process.
Yes, sir. Sir, despite daytoy efforts nga napanpay ti national validation team ijay mangkayat sir kan team ti NCIP kan MGB sir. Sir, ada pa lang ba dagitoy problems nga kalanga kasapulan tayo pa ilaang na isort ayun kailangan pagtungtungan pa since
Yes, there are a lot. Pero I think the situation now is that an MPSA was issued, certification precondition was issued, an MPSA was renewed by the MGB, and a certification precondition was issued by the NCIP Commission and Bank. Siguro the issues that we need to contend now, considering that situation, is that the harmonization of policies between and among agencies because as we can see in the Crescent Mining Development Corporation experience in Mangkayan, there are clashes of policies between agencies. If you look into the chronology of events, the renewal of MPSA came before the completion of the FPIC process. Under the law and under the recently decided case in Mangkayan, no, FPIC should be first be completed before any government agency such as MGB can issue a renewal of the MPSA. That is what we are following supposedly. However, what happened in CMDC? Nauna yung renewal ng MPSA which was done in 2022. Then yung completion ng FPIC was completed in 2025. So from that chronology alone, you would picture na hindi na sunod. And there is an obvious contrasting policies between agencies, particularly MGB and NCIP. So yun siguro yung pwedeng tingnan ngayon, pwedeng i-trash out para i-harmonize yung policy. Well, in fairness, I think there were meetings held prior to that. After we knew about the renewal, I think one meeting was held inside the NGV office, pero no succeeding meetings followed. Maganda sana yun eh. Siguro yun yung pwedeng balikan na sanang gawing habit with MGB and NCIP to have a monthly discussion or meeting together para makapag-reconcile ng conflicting policies. Ma-recall ko kasi one of the agendas noon that time, isa yun eh. And isa rin yung inisyo nila na exploration permit sa isang mining corporation din dito sa Benguet na despite the denial ng NCIP sa mining application. So, dininay ni NCIP yung mining application because walang the FPIC process did not lead to a consensus decision. Ngayon, despite that denial, nag-issue pa rin sila ng permit. Isa yun, I think, na agenda noon that time. And I believe there is a obvious contrast between policies and gawin sanang habit na NCIP and MGB to sit together para to discuss things. Para hindi maulit